operation you can perform in Excel is what's called if statements or logical functions. These allow you to draw some conclusions or create an action based on the data. Let's look at how this works. So first of all, let's understand some of the functions that we would want to use here. So we have equals, greater than or equal to, less than, and equal to. And if you're not familiar with this, this is does not equal. So that's part of the formula we'll be using here. But this is a great time to use our formula builder and insert our functions. So I've just clicked on my insert function and I found here's my if that I want to use, and I'm going to insert that function right into this bonus category. So here it already pops up with our logical test. So we're going to use this job rating column to figure out if we're going to trade this Twins player or if we're going to give them a signing bonus. So our logic test is if, and we're going to look at the location of it. So if E2, and what we want is greater than or equal to 4, and then we have our values. So if it is greater than or equal to 4, they're eligible for a bonus. If it is not, it's time for a trade. And so we'll hit done. And so just like we've done before, we can copy those values down and take a look at all those formulas. So it just moved over E3, and we have all of those logical statements. One other thing I'll point out is you can see we're cutting off some information over here. Quick way to resolve that, if we just double click between our A and B column, we can expand that column. So that's just a quick look at logical tests and ifs.